Dear students, Namaste. I'm Kamal Nepal. Now I want to start the long question of geometry. These questions are related to our exercise of geometry from our textbook. So I want to do some questions, some important questions, then try to take the concept from these questions. Okay, these are uh, it is exercise 13. So these are long questions related to parallelogram. Now first I want to start question number 1. In question number 1, yeah, A B C D is a parallelogram. You can observe in your figure A B C D is a parallelogram. P and Q are any points on AB and BC. Then we need to prove that triangle CPD, this triangle, is equal to AQD triangle. Then we can do this solution. Okay. First, I want to give the concept of what is your given. So in your question, only ABCD is given. So ABCD is given and P and Q are 2 points. This also given. Then you can write on here ABCD is a parallelogram. It is your given. So given is ABCD is a parallelogram. Then to prove, we need to uh, show the area of CPD, this triangle is equal to triangle AQD. Now, it is your to prove. Then after number B, triangle B, ABQ, this triangle is plus DCQ, this plus this is equal to CPD. Now I want to start proof. It is proof statement region number 1. Triangle, you can observe in parallelogram ABCD only observe CPD triangle. Now CPD triangle and the parallelogram ABCD both are standing on CD base, DC base. So area of this triangle CPD is equal to 1 by 2 of parallelogram ABCD. So we did this question in our short questions. So what is the region of this? This triangle is standing on and this parallelogram also standing on the same base CD and between same parallels. So your region is area of triangle is half of the parallelogram is standing on same base and between same parallels. Now number 2, you can take this triangle, then which part of remaining of this triangle? So this triangle and this triangle is your remaining. This triangle and this triangle is remaining. You should take the concept these two parts also half of total. If this is half of total, then these two triangles are also half of total. Then then another concept is triangle AQD is also half of parallelogram ABCD. So exactly same is 1. So AQD triangle is standing on AD, and this parallelogram also standing on AD base. Both are standing on same base and between same parallels. So area of triangle is half of the area. This triangle is half of the area parallelogram. It is same as 1. Now both results are, yeah, these two, 1 by 2 parallelogram ABCD, 1 by 2 parallelogram ABCD, both are equal. Then you can write down these two equal, combining 1 and 2. This it proved one part, E part. Then after, uh, if AQD is half of parallelogram, then ABQ plus CDQ also half of parallelogram. So this is triangle ABQ plus DCQ is equal to 1 by 2 of parallelogram ABCD by 2 remaining parts of parallelogram by 2. By this 2 remaining part also this parallelogram also half of the same parallelogram. Remaining part of the parallelogram is also half of the same parallelogram. Now number next, if this is half of this one, then this is half of parallelogram ABCD. This also half of parallelogram ABCD. So this is half of parallelogram ABCD. If we combine this 1 and 4 in 1 by 2 of parallelogram ABCD, in number 4 1 by 2 parallelogram ABCD, then you can write down triangle CPD is equal to ABQ plus DCQ. Then it is combining of 1 and 4. So this completes the proof of our question number 1. So this is simple, but you can see it is hard, but it is not hard. So it is simple. This question depend on the area of triangle and area of parallelogram standing on same base and between same parallels. So you should take the concept of that and you can use in your questions. So try to take the concept and you can do similar question as these. So I want to start another question. This is question number 2 from our book. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. DE is parallel to EC. D is parallel to AC is drawn to meet BC. D is parallel to this one to meet BC. Produce at E. So prove that area of quadrilateral ABCD, this quadrilateral, is equal to triangle ABE. So this is a question. Okay, you can write down your given and to prove a simple part. Given is your ABCD is a quadrilateral and D parallel to AC. But to prove is area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABE. It is your to prove. Now, given ABCD is a quadrilateral, where DE parallel to AC is drawn to meet BC produced at E. And to prove is area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABE. It is your to prove. Then to prove, how can you do this question? Now you have, what is your given? You should observe here, these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Then in these two lines, if you take this as base, AC is a base, then in this base, ADC, you can observe here, ADC triangle and AEC triangle. Both triangles are standing on this base, AC base. You can observe base is AC, and in AC, how many triangles are standing there? In between these two parallel lines, you should observe at first that. So in same base AC, there are two triangles, ACD and ACE. These two triangles is standing on same base and between same parallels. So you can write down this triangle is equal to this triangle. Now, number first is you can write down this triangle is equal to this triangle. And number 2 is you should add ABC triangle on both results. Then you will get. Then now proof. System reason. Number 1, triangle area of triangle ACD is equal to area of triangle ACE. Both are standing on same base and between same parallels. So you should write down their name AC base and between same parallels AC and D. Now number 2, triangle ACD plus triangle ABC, triangle ACE plus triangle ABC. In both triangle you should add same triangle ABC. So if you add these two, then adding triangle ABC on both sides, then you can write down area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, in triangle ACD, if you add ABC triangle, you will get this whole part. Whole part is ABCD quadrilateral. Then in triangle ACE, if you add ABC, you will get ABE triangle. So in number 3, you got the same result by adding. So it is whole part axiom by addition axiom. So it is whole part addition axiom. Yes, this completes the proof. So you can observe this one. Then it will be better if you write down your questions in your copy and try to do these. It will be better for you. then you can understand by making your figure in your copy, and you can make triangle make triangle by different color, and these two triangles are equal like this way. It will be better for you. Then I want to go in another question. This is question number 5. 3 and 4 are for you. You can try these two questions. Now in your question number 5, in the figure, PQRS and WXYS are two parallelograms. Prove that area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to area of parallelogram WXYS. WXYS. So these two parallelograms PQRS, one parallelogram, and WXYS, another parallelogram, both are equal in area. This is our to prove. Given both are parallelograms. So what is your given? PQRS and WXYS are two parallelograms. And what is to prove? To prove, you must show the area of these two parallelograms are equal. Now, how can you do construction? So in this figure, which points are common in both parallelogram side in your vertex also? This is the common point of parallelogram, side and vertex. This is side and vertex, so you should join this line, connecting this line, so it is your construction. So how can you prove this one? If you join this one, you can write down WSR is half of total parallelogram PQRS. And another same parallelogram, WXYS parallelogram, SWR also half of parallelogram. So you can join, this is your construction. So construction is W and R are joined. Now after this, proof. Step and region. Triangle WSR. WSR is half of parallelogram PQRS. Yes, we explained in question number 1 also. Similarly, WXR is equal to 1 by 2 of WXYS in another parallelogram. Yes, in this one, relation between triangle and parallelogram. Area of triangle is half of the parallelogram is standing on same base between same parallels. Both are same. Then after WSR both are common. Then you can write down these two parallelograms are equal. So 1 by 2 parallelogram PQRS is equal to 1 by 2 parallelogram. Yeah, sorry, here this is not a PQRS. So it is, I want to correct. So it is not WXYS, this parallelogram, and another is this also WXYS parallelogram. So if we combine 1 and 2 result, then you will get, yes, area parallelogram PQRS is equal to area parallelogram WXYS parallelogram. So again this one. So you can prove this one. This also you can draw in different figure, then it will be easy for you to understand. Now I want to start another question. This is question number 6. In the figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. O is any point in it. AO, BO, CO, DO are joined. All are joined. Triangle ABC plus triangle to prove is triangle AOB and COD. AOB upper and down, it is COD, is equal to 1 by 2 of parallelogram, whole parallelogram. Similarly, AOD and BOC also half of total parallelogram. So what is our given? Given is ABCD is our parallelogram, and O is any point. You can write down this thing. Yes, ABCD is a parallelogram, O is any point on it. Then to prove is triangle ABO, you can copy from there. And what is your construction? Construction is XOY. XOY, yes, draw this line from O, which is parallel to DC, Now, number 1, you can observe upper parallelogram ABOD YX, ABYX, a parallelogram, and in this parallelogram AOB, this parallelogram AOB parallelogram is half of upper parallelogram. So this is also same. Area of triangle is half of the area of parallelogram standing on same base between same parallels. Now this one completed. And number two, down you can take another parallelogram, XYCD parallelogram, XYCD. Yeah, it is XYAB, upper XAB XY. Okay, I want to correct. It is XYCD. COD is equal to, it is XYCD parallelogram, XY, it is CD. So CD parallelogram, XYCD parallelogram is, yes, double of this triangle. That means triangle COD is half of this parallelogram. So I want to show again. Yeah. XYCD parallelogram. Then if you add these 1 and 2, then COD plus AOB plus COD. Okay, this is AOB, this is AOB plus COD. Both are AOB plus COD. AOB, yes, AOB plus COD is equal to this also AOB. AOB plus COD is equal to, yes, if you add these two parallelogram, then you will get a whole parallelogram ABCD. Now you can observe ABYX parallelogram and XYCD parallelogram. Yes, addition of these two is total ABCD parallelogram. Now you can conclude this is your proof. So for this, similarly for your 5 number, triangle AOD plus BOC, AOD plus BOC, then you should draw from here parallel line, another parallel line, here parallel line, you will get, yeah, then you can get two parallelograms left and right. In this construction, you make here up and down, but here left and right. Then exactly same process, follow exactly same process, you will get this result. So this complete the proof. Then these are 1, 2, 3, 4 questions I did. So these are simple. Try to do these questions and take concept. Okay, these 4 questions are related to area of triangle and parallelogram. Area triangle and parallelogram both are standing on same base and between same parallels. So use this concept, then you can prove this theorem. Then similarly you can take same concept for another question, you can solve and you can do these questions. Okay, thank you.